guys, so once again, I'm Kamayo. Uh, Now our topic is about parsing in Microsoft Excel. By the way, parsing is all about separating cell with text in separate pieces. In parsing, we are using some Microsoft Excel features, and also we are using some text functions. So let's start. Let's start with plus fill function, which is very helpful. Plus fill. So if you see this one, this is again my name. Now I need to parse my family name. So as we discussed before, we parse using our function left function in order to remove or separate from the full name my family name. So now we will use a plus fill function. If you see here in the ribbon, you can see here data. Just select the data. Now you can see, by the way guys, I'm using Microsoft Office 2013. So here you show plus fill. So now what we'll do, I will type my family name. I will type Corvera. Then look. Now I already put my family name. Then I will highlight all. So meaning Corvera, Lagrama, Corvera. So we need to separate this one using plus fill features, which is here. Look, if I press this plus fill, see what happened. Look, it's like a magic. Imagine if you have 1,000 and you need to separate this one by one. So it will take you for 24 hours. So it's easy. Again, I will make it Control Z. Again, just type Corvera, which is my family name, and just select this one and select or click plus fill. Look, this is how the magic of plus fill. Then again, my name. So I will type Rinaldo. My name is old-fashioned name, Rinaldo. So look, Rinaldo, Juliet, Audrey, Moraya, Andrea, and Pia. So if I select this one, if I click plus fill, look, it's like a magic, you know. Then I will type also my middle initial. O. Here is O, M, A, D, A, E. So I type already this one. Then select. Then press plus fill. Look what happened. So now our full name parsed into 3 columns or separate into 3 columns by family name, and middle initial using plus fill. So now here we'll use also plus fill, but instead of clicking this plus fill, we need to use a shortcut function. So what will we do? We'll just press Control and A, this one. We will use this one, just press Control A in your keyboard. This one. We'll use this one. So the same process, we'll type Corvera. Then we select this one and press Control A. Look. Again, I will parse my name, Reynaldo, the old-fashioned name. But my heart, it's still fresh, not old-fashioned. Now, I need to select all from here. Then we will use again, press Control in our keyboard and press A, so meaning Control A. Oh, look, that's a magic. Again, I will parse my middle initial, type O, then period, then select all, then press Control E. Now, this is how to parse our data using a different function and also Excel feature. Again, this one, we are using this one, text to column, which from here, data, then use this text to column in order to directly separate and remove this comma and separate by columns. Again, here we separate or we parse my name using this left, right, and mid function, and this len function meaning the length of this character, so meaning 20 characters, and Juliet is 18 characters. So again, the last one, this plus fill, which we used before. We parse this my full name using plus fill. This one using our button plus fill, this one, and this one we are using, instead of plus fill button, we'll use our shortcut keys, which is Control E. Okay guys, once again, thank you, and God bless you all.